welcome in. Today we are at Foxwoods Resort Casino and we are staying in the center suite at Grand Pequot. And we're gonna take you guys around, show you guys what the room has to offer. If you are not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video, and comment your thoughts down below. All right, so we're gonna start with the most exciting part of the whole entire room, guys. I'm starting you off really strong here at the guest bathroom. This is honestly one of two bathrooms that they have in the room. This is the smallest one here. Obviously, you have your toilet, your mirror, your sink and stuff. You don't really have many toiletries in here. They just leave you one bar of soap. But like I said, it's the second bathroom. There's another bathroom we'll go take a look at later. Little hand towel, but no shower or anything in this room. Over here, this is a connecting door, so if you wanted to have access to the other room, let's say you're coming with family or friends, you could get connecting rooms. I do know that this room over here is not a suite, so that would be like a regular room with 1 or 2 beds. But hey, you could just add on, have a few friends, and then open it up. You share the suite. All right, now follow me over here. We are back where we just entered. So we entered through this door here, and we are now getting to the good stuff, guys. So if you come over this way, you do have a little bar top area here. So if you are hanging with some friends, you have some seats for them to sit in right here, 1, 2, and 3. And then over this way, you do actually have a lot of counter space. I mean, you're not gonna be doing any cooking in here because it's not like there's like an oven or anything, but you do have a lot of counter space. So if you have drinks and stuff, little snacks, you have a lot of space for that. You do have a sink in case you bring things and you wanna clean them out. I'm not sure if anyone wants to do dishes on vacation, but if you do, they do have a sink. Oh, my parents would love this, guys. You have your little coffee pot, of course, then stocked with some necessities. What is this? Tea, coffee, some cups, stirs, creams, and sugar. Actually, no cream, but there is sugar. So we do have a mini fridge here, and it does come like partially stocked. There's no alcoholic beverages in here, but you do have your 4 waters and some sodas, guys. Now these are complimentary. You do not have to pay. It's not like when you take it out of the fridge, you're gonna be charged for them. You can just take them and enjoy them. In this kitchen though, it is good. They do have 2 outlets. So if you were hanging with your friends over here, you needed to charge your phone, charge your computer, maybe sit at this countertop and work, you do have that option with those outlets right there. And then right outside of the little kitchen area, you have the living room area. This is super nice, guys. You have this nice couch here, a lot of sitting space. This room could hold a lot of people, guys. If you had some guests or stuff, this holds a lot of people. You see the 3 seats at the bar, 2 more seats here, and then a whole couch area, guys. This is great to have people. This is a nice size TV, and this is only one of the 2 TVs that they have in the room. So hopefully you don't turn this one up too loud, because on the other side of this wall there's another TV, and you don't want to hear all the channels going off. Under this TV stand here, you do actually have a lot of storage. So 2 shelves on that side, 2 more on this side. Oh, I really like that. So if you were staying for a while, you'd have not only these 2 shelves, this shelf here is also all cut out in between, so you could put some more things there. Guys, this is so crazy. Not only that, but look right here too. You have 2 more, so that is a lot of storage. Probably all the storage I would need for my stay here. So that's great. You have that storage there. Okay, guys, now this over here might be one of my most favorite parts of the entire room. First of all, I love these lights. Those are so pretty. And then these chairs, guys, are so nice. Not because they're just super comfortable, but because they have a great view. Let me show you. It is kind of sunset time, so the screen might get a little bright. Beware, but I'm gonna open up these huge curtains. And these. Oh, look at that, guys. So I absolutely love this. This is a great spot for you guys to be able to sit. You can honestly just watch the sunrise, watch the sunset, or if you have any work to do, you could grab your computer and work right here from the comfort of your room. It's so amazing. Okay, guys, now in this area, there's actually more storage. Remember earlier I was telling you by the television that there was a lot of storage? Look at this, guys. By these couches, if you take your shoes off like Robbie did, you take your pocketbook off, there's 1, 2, 3 more levels of shelves that you can put things on. Not only on this side, but on this side too. So that's amazing. That's amazing. I love that. I love that. I really, look at how pretty the sunset is. Guys, I mean, and these windows are amazing. Guys, look at this complete view. These windows are absolutely amazing. Great for times like this when the sun is setting. It is just so beautiful. All right, so now to the good stuff, guys. We have reached the bed area. So like I said earlier, if you do have some guests, they can sleep on the couch. But if this room is for you, then you have this bed for yourself, guys. This is amazing. It's a nice spacious bed. It is a king size bed, so you have lots of room. And this room has a lot to offer in general. On both sides of the bed, you have these nightstands with their own little light. You have your phone right here. Even more storage. 1, 2, 3 more shelves, guys. It does have a little light, so in the night you don't have to stub your toe because this will be illuminated by the light. And then another thing I love, we've got more outlets, guys. Bang, right there. You can charge your computer, charge your phone, charge your camera. Whatever you're traveling with, you can charge right there. Now they do have these set up on both sides of the bed. So we had one right there, and then this desk right here. Now, of course, they both don't have phones. That would be a little crazy, but that side over there does have your phone. So if you need to call the front desk, call for room service, call for housekeeping, you have the phone right by your side. And then we also have this lounge chair. Oh my gosh, this is actually surprisingly comfortable. This is nice, I'm not even gonna lie. And you have this little lounge chair with the footrest, so you can just sit. You're not quite ready for bed. You want to read a book. You want to do some stuff before actually getting into bed. Bang, this is the place to be. You have your little counter right here. Put your stuff down, turn on another lamp so you can see. It's going to be perfect. Working our way back over this way, we have the bed right here, and then your next television, guys. So remember in the living room, I was telling you there's another TV on the other side of this wall. Here it is, guys. Here it is. You've got another great TV. You also have some more storage over this way. You have another 1, 2 regular drawers to put your stuff in. And then, of course, you have your drawer with the safe, guys. So if you want to put some of your money in there, hopefully you're winning big when you come here, bang, you can put it all in there for safekeeping. You do have a chair right here, so I guess this would kind of be considered your desk space. You know, if you wanted to do some work. More outlets. We love to see it. More outlets. Perfect. We love to see that. And then again, with the storage, I'm not gonna lie, they absolutely nail it. I don't like when I go into rooms and they don't have enough room for everything I travel with. I travel with a lot of stuff. So I have to have a lot of storage to keep all my things. Look at this, guys, amazing. Another shelf, coat hangers. Let's say you're coming with a dress or something, you don't wanna fold it up, bang. They provide coat hangers for you. Now we have settled into the room a little bit, so you'll notice some of our stuff already in the closet. That's besides the point. Oh. 2 robes. Oh, this is nice. This is nice, guys. That's a nice touch. I really love that. I love that they included the robe, because if you're on vacation and you're trying to relax, you want something like that. It's gonna be great. And of course, your ironing board and iron, that's key. Because when your things come out of your luggage, they're wrinkled. If you want to take the time to iron them, you can. Okay, guys, now we're gonna come over this way, and I love this. I love when hotel rooms have the full length mirror, guys, because then you can see your outfit. Say, okay, what do I need to change? Whatever. So I love that. And now I am taking you to the second bathroom of the video, and this is the biggest bathroom. So come on in, let me show you what it has to offer. Okay guys, first up you have a little, what do you want to call it? Hot tub, jetted tub, whatever you want to call it, I don't care. I love these things. These are so relaxing. So you can fill it up with some water, turn on the jets, and you'll feel like you're in the spa, really. That is so good. I just love that. I love that. And then, this is so cool, they even give you some bath salts. So you can put some in your bath. You have some bars of soap there, some bath mats, face cloths, and things like that. Then over this way, you have, this is honestly just a room, and you have your toilet. Sometimes you want to take a bath for relaxation, but you want to take a shower when you actually want to, you know, freshen up and whatnot. You do have this really big, really comfortable stand-up shower. Let's see, I don't know if any of these nozzles come off. Oh. Yeah, it does. So this one actually comes off if you know. Oh my God. Okay, guys, we're freshened up. We're freshened up for the video. Ooh, no, put that up there. Okay. Anyways, they've got that. That actually is a hanging rack, so you can have your towel right in the shower. You don't have to get out and get cold. Use your towel because it's in here. That's perfect. Moving over this way to the vanity area. I love this space. It gives you a nice countertop so you can take out all of your hair tools, your makeup, your toothbrushes, and toiletries. We have a lot of space for that. And guys, I'm gonna be honest, I already did my hair in this room, so of course I was glad that there was an outlet in here because that comes in handy. Then you have the sink, of course, and here's where they provide more of the toiletries. You have the bar of soap in here. You do have some H2O therapy products like body wash, lotion, shampoo, conditioner, a little Crest mouthwash, that's cute, and some cups, a shower cap, and then a little vanity kit with like a nail file, some Q-tips, things like that. Here are your towels, but you have also seen some scattered throughout the room, whether it's in the shower or over here near the hot tub. You have some more towels there. This is also great. I love when hotel rooms have a hair dryer because you don't always want to pack your own, and some extra TP, of course. And then that brings us back over this way. back to where we started. I have not shown this counter yet, but like I said, guys, the storage, A+ Foxwoods, really. You have some more storage in there as well to put some items. Once again, guys, this is the center suite at Foxwoods Resort and Casino in the Grand Pequot, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these suite tours and these hotel room tours, I do have more on our channel. It's in a playlist called Hotel Room Tours, so you can go ahead and watch some there. We did spend a night at the Encore Boston recently, so we do have that video posted. We love to make tons of travel content. We like to travel anywhere, and we would love to take you guys with us. So if you have not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe, leave a like on the video, and comment your thoughts down below. Have you stayed at Foxwoods? Do you enjoy staying here? What rooms do you like? We would love to hear that from you guys. If they are not already turned on, be sure to turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video. We do have a vlog from this trip coming out, so you don't want to miss it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching the room tour. Please be sure to subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Bye, thank you.